Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to switch to Page account in Messenger from your PC. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Facebook application or go to Facebook website from your browser. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. Then from the top right corner you can see your profile icon. Click to it. From there you can switch to your Page account. Once your account has been switched to Page, click to Message. Click to Message from the top menu bar. Then it will redirect you to another page. This is how you can switch to Page account in Messenger from your PC. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.